Okay, so packaging. I have opened it, as you can see. The packaging is quite good. Quite a good sturdy box there. Inside, it comes wrapped in another white cardboard layer, so it is really well protected. It's really good. The steelbook itself, as you can see, is still sealed. Let's have a look at this. So it's got the exclusive labels. I quite like to keep those within it. Yeah, unfortunately it hasn't got the title on the spine. It's a real big disappointment. I hate it when they do that. Great, okay, let's open this sucker up, see what it's like. Okay. Hard to do this one, had it? Careful. Okay, so here it is. Oh, it does have a shine to it. I thought it might be matte. As you can see, not sure if you can see that, but it is even a gloss finish. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's actually looking very sweet, like that. Oh, gutted about the spine though. It's a real shame. Okay, let's take this off and have a look on the inside. This bit's done the set. Okay, inside we have digital download. I never really use those, but I keep them anyway. Got the 3D disc and the Blu-ray disc. In art. Looks good. London getting devastated by the looks of it. So yeah, I'm actually happy with it. The only big downside is that spine title. Real shame. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video and catch you later. Bye.